A very good morning to the children of class 4, and today we will continue with our parts of speech chapter number 8. Okay, and welcome everybody, welcome to your English language class. So we have already seen that there are 8 parts of speech and one is extra, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, article is extra, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. When you stay together, you can express when they stay together, they can express what they want to say, write, read or converse. Okay, so today in the last video we revised about noun, pronoun. In today's video we will do the revision of adjective, verb and adverb. Okay, so let's begin. That is, an adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Means whenever a noun is there and there is a little extra information about that noun or some kind of characteristics about that noun, we call it an adjective. Okay, so it's not only adds to the meaning but it also describes, like how the toy is, how the train was, how the bus was. Okay, the bus was decorative, the bus was clean, it's a clean bus. So how the bus is? Clean bus. So clean is the adjective here. Okay, see, Manoj is a good student. Here student is the noun. And how is this student? Good. Okay, he gave me some money. Money is the adjective, money is the noun here and some is the adjective here. Many people gather here, many is the adjective here and people is the noun. Number 4, he is angry with his sister. Angry is a form of expression and it's called the adjective. How is and what is it qualifying? It's qualifying he, that is the pronoun. Noun or a pronoun, anything can do. See here, it adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Now let us read the sentence. In sentence 1, the word good is an adjective. It qualifies noun, student. Okay. In sentence 2, the word some is an adjective. It qualifies noun, money. In sentence 3, the word many is an adjective. It qualifies noun. It qualifies the noun, people. And number 4, the word angry is adjective and it qualifies pronoun. Let's see this. Note, in sentence 4, that is this one, angry qualifies pronoun, that is he. Here he. Sentence, the adjective qualifies the noun. Okay, so it can be done with noun, it can be done with pronoun. So there is no worrying to it. Next is the verb. So a verb is a word used to say something about some person, place or thing. It tells us what the subject is or does. For example, right now you all are listening. What you all are doing? You all are listening. And also you all are watching. So these both are some action words, that is where we perform. Okay, so it is used as to say something about some person, good or bad, no problem, place or thing. It tells us what the subject is or does. Suppose, for example, if I say about place, and I can say that Mumbai is a beautiful place or a beautiful city. So how is Mumbai? That is the adjective. But here, same sentence, if I say that Mumbai is a busy city. Okay, so here busy is the verb. Done. Now, Sunday is the first day of the week. They are my sisters. The sun gives us light and heat. We worship God daily. So in sentence 1, the verb is tells us about the subject Sunday. The sentence 2, are is the verb and it tells about the subject sister. The sun gives us light and heat. Sun is the subject, gives is the verb. For example, the moon gives us light in the night sky. So, moon is the subject and gives is the adjective. Okay. Then, we come to school by car. So, we is the subject and come is the verb. Yes, correct. It's something which we are doing. Now, in sentence number 3, gives is the verb. It tells us what the subject sun does. In sentence number 4, worship is the verb. It tells us what the subject we do. Okay. Next comes the adverb. Adverb is nothing. If you want to remember, it's very in a simple manner. That is, it describes the verb. How much. See, an adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of the verb, adjective or another adverb. Number 1, Raksha helps others happily. So how does Raksha helps? Raksha helps happily. So your helps is the verb and you are emphasizing on adverb, that is happily, that is how Raksha helps happily. The sunrise here is very charming. So who is charming here? The sunrise. So very charming is again an adverb. Sunita pronounced the word quite correctly. Pronounced, another verb. Quite correctly is another adverb. It is extremely hot today. Hot is the verb. Extremely is how. What is the manner of that heat? What is the manner of that hot? That is extremely, maybe mild, maybe low, maybe bearable or anything. So here it is extremely hot today. So how it is? It is extremely. So that is the adverb. Let us read the sentences here. In sentence 1, the word happily modifies the verb helps. Modifies the verb helps. In the word very modifies the adjective charming. Very modifies the adjective charming. The word quite modifies the adverb correctly. Quite pronounced as correctly. Extremely modifies the adjective hot. Extremely modifies the adjective hot. Okay. So it's an adverb. So it's not only used with a verb, it is also used with noun at times. Okay. See here, an adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of the verb or an adjective or another adverb. Okay. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will carry on. We will continue with the preposition, interjection and article of the same chapter. Okay. Till then, please practice and take care.